Protein can play a key role in weight management, in addition to supporting health and fitness goals. So even if your eating goals aren't off to the start you planned, it's never too late to prioritize protein. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to power up with a one skillet meal that's ready in just 30 minutes. To get started, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then heat 2 tablespoons of Gustare Vita olive oil in a 12-inch cast iron skillet. When that's heated up, add in 1 pound of ground turkey sausage and cook over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to break into crumbles. Turkey sausage is lower in calories, fat, and sodium compared to traditional breakfast sausage. Next, add 1 18-ounce package of frozen sweet potatoes, 1 cup of Hy-Vee Shortcuts chopped white onions, and 1 cup of Hy-Vee Shortcuts chopped green bell peppers. Cook these and stir occasionally for 10 to 12 minutes or until both sweet potatoes and turkey sausage reach 165 degrees. Once that's done, make 6 indentations in the turkey mixture using the back of a spoon, about 2 inches round. Then, carefully crack 1 medium egg into the center of each indentation. And sprinkle 3/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the turkey mix areas. Bake this pan for 6 to 9 minutes or until the egg whites are firm and yolks are slightly thickened. Lastly, garnish with fresh chives and coarsely ground black pepper. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com and sign up today for Hy-Vee Perks, a free and easy program for Hy-Vee shoppers. Access exclusive perks prices, earn discounts on gas when you purchase designated products, and save more with exclusive deals, offers, and rewards.